Thinking about starting your online store on Shopify but not sure how much it really costs per month? Well, today I am breaking down Shopify's real 2025 pricing, including the cost for the USA, the UK, Australia, and Canada. Plus, how we can save up to 25% instantly using Shopify's current offer. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, this is Sakib from Ecomclips, where we help e-commerce entrepreneurs start, automate, and scale their business. If you are new here, hit the subscribe and tap the bell button because we post Shopify tips and tools every week. Alright, so Shopify currently offers 4 main plans and prices varied slightly depending on your country. Let's start with the United States. The basic plans start at $25 per month or $19 if you pay yearly. The Grow plan, that's the next level up. It is $65 per month or $49 yearly. Then we got the Advanced plan at $399 per month or $299 if billed yearly. And finally, Shopify Plus, made for big enterprise brands. Starts at $2,300 per month on a 1 or 3 years term. Now, if you are in the United Kingdom, the basic plan start at £25 per month or £19 yearly. The Grow plan costs £65 or £49 yearly. The Advanced plan is £344 per month or £259 if you build yearly. And the Plus plan is still $2,300 per month. For Canada, basic is 49 Canadian dollars per month or 37 yearly. Grow is 132 per month or 99 yearly. Advance is 517 per month or 389 yearly. And again, Plus is 2,300 US dollar per month. For Australia, basic starts at 56 Australian dollars per month or 42 yearly. Grow is 149 per month or 114 yearly. Advanced is 575 per month or 431 yearly. And yes, Plus is 2,300 US dollars per month. If your country isn't listed, Shopify usually follows US pricing by default. Now, here is something most new store owners don't realize. The monthly plan cost is just the beginning. You will also pay for apps and theme which can add up to $20 to $100 per month, a domain name about $14 per year, and if you don't use Shopify payments, there is a transaction fee between 0.5% to 2%. But if you do use Shopify payments, you will get lower credit card rates, saving your money over time. Okay, here is how you can save money. Number 1, use Shopify's $1 for 3-month offer. It's the cheapest way to test your store. Number 2, pay yearly to save up to 25% instantly. Number 3, start small. The basic plan gives you everything you need. Upgrade later once your sales grow. So which plan is right for you? If you are a beginner, go with basic. It has everything you need to start selling. If you're running a small team, choose Grow. You will save money on lower transaction fees. And if you are scaling fast, the Advanced plan gives you powerful reports and automation tools. Here is a quick summary. So here you have it, the real cost of Shopify in 2025. No hidden fees, no surprises. Comment below and tell me which country you are from and I'll reply your local Shopify pricing. If this video helped you, smash the like button, hit subscribe and share this with someone who is thinking about starting their Shopify store. See you in the next episode. Peace.